Today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot dog with salsa. It's a very simple recipe and the outcome is absolutely delicious. So let's get making hot dogs. So I have 2 hot dog buns, 2 hot dogs, salsa, and for my salsa I'm going to be using 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, and I've seasoned my salsa with salt. And here I have mayonnaise. So that is what I'm going to be using for my hot dog. So first off, I'll fry my hot dogs. Place a pan on medium-high flame and fry your hot dogs until golden brown. So I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil. Spread your oil. And then I'm going to place my hot dogs in the pan. What I've done is I've fried my hot dogs slightly, not too much, slightly. So now I'm going to put this aside. So now I'm going to smear my buns with mayonnaise. I've already cut my bun in half. So now I'll add a generous amount of mayonnaise to my bun. Now I'm going to add my hot dogs in my buns. Then I'll add some salsa. So in my salsa, I squeezed half a lemon. Now I'm going to add my mustard and tomato sauce. It's that simple. So now you can have these hot dogs as a snack or as lunch or as dinner. They're so easy to make, very fast. They save so much time. So if you have some buns laying around and hot dogs in your fridge, don't forget to make this recipe because it is absolutely delicious. So I hope to see you in my next episode, and ciao!